Google Classroom. How to arrange items within the stream. Go to your course, find the stream, make sure you're not on classwork, but put it on stream. Then you're going to look down your stream page and you want to move an item. You can move items to the top. It's easier for students to find something if the current assignment's on top. So I've got the assignment I want, which is my course of study. Then I'm going to go over to the right-hand side of the page to the three dots. Click on the three dots. I have three choices: move to the top, edit, or copy the link. I want to go to move to the top, and it will automatically be posted now at the top of the page. Now it's listed first at the top of the page. What my post is. The post says what I've assigned, what I want them to look at, so I can show the class the video clip to introduce introduce the topic, and then I can go to the assigned sheet and go over this in class. Students can put any questions or comments in the class comment section, so I can address those the next day I meet with them. It is pretty simple to use this Google Classroom. It's easy to arrange things to make it easier to use. Thank you.